5. Big mistakes people make when soaking pumpkin seeds, and how to fix them. Think soaking pumpkin seeds is simple? You might be making critical errors that steal their nutritional value, or worse, make you feel sick. These tiny green powerhouses are rich in zinc, magnesium, plant protein, and healthy fats, but only when prepped correctly. If you're doing any of the following 5 things, you could be undoing all the benefits of your pumpkin seed ritual, causing digestive discomfort, slowing mineral absorption, or even unintentionally creating mold. Ready to soak smarter? Stick around. Especially for mistake number 5, it's the one most folks never talk about but love to regret. 1. Soaking in cold or untreated tap water. Most people just plop seeds into cold tap water and call it a day. But cold water dramatically slows hydration and fails to activate key phytase enzymes that break down phytic acid. Optimal activation occurs in warm, about 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. Slightly acidic water, not boiling, just cozy. Better. Use filtered or spring water at room temperature to lightly warm, not hot. Even adding a squeeze of lemon or a pinch of salt can boost enzyme breakdown and mineral absorption. Bonus tip: dark chlorine filtered water also helps preserve the natural omega-3 fats and vitamin E in the seeds. 2. Skipping the initial rinse. About 90% of pumpkin seeds come with surface residue, oil, dust, hull fragments, and a thin film of phytic acid that can bind minerals. Rinsing under running water, even if the seeds look clean, reduces anti-nutrients and helps prevent bloating or unpleasant aftertaste. Simple fix: pour seeds into a strainer, rinse quickly under warm water until the water runs clear, then soak. 3. Soaking for too little or much too long. 5 minutes of soaking is pointless. But leaving seeds submerged for days opens the door to fermentation, off-flavors, and mold. If seeds aren't fully hydrated, they can continue absorbing moisture in your digestive tract, even expanding and cause gut irritation. If over-soaked, more than 24 hours, they ferment, turn soggy, develop that off smell, and become unsafe. Sweet spot: soak seeds for 8-12 hours, overnight, in filtered, slightly acidic water. Drain, rinse again, and they're ready even for roasting chaff. 4. Using the wrong liquid. Sugar, juice, or dairy. Yes, soak liquid matters. Sugary juices fuel fermentation and quick spoilage. Dairy, or calcium-rich milks, can bind to iron and impair mineral absorption. Best picks: warm, unsweetened filtered water with a pinch of salt or citrus juice, or caffeine-free herbal teas if you're after flavor. These liquids support enzyme activity without wrecking digestion. Pro tip: don't soak in fruit juices or wine. They spike sugar levels and feed yeast and bacteria in the warm soak. 5. Storing soaked seeds incorrectly. You soak them precisely, now they're soggy, nutrient-too dense, and perishable. Store them wrong, and you unleash mold, rancidity, or plastic contamination. Never leave them wet in a plastic container. Hot water plus plastic meets microplastics or BPA risk. Leaving jars sitting out at room temperature for more than 8 to 12 hours invites yeast, mold, and unpleasant odors, and they rarely show up until it's too late. Airtight containers and refrigeration slow oxidation and spoilage. According to food safety experts, nuts stay fresh up to 6 months in the fridge. Soaked seeds should be consumed within 48 hours max. Recommended: drain well, air dry on a tray or kitchen cloth, then store only a day's worth in a glass jar with a tight lid, refrigerate it. The smart way to soak pumpkin seeds: rinse dry seeds under warm water first. Soak for 8 to 12 hours in filtered water, warm plus filtered, with a splash of lemon or pinch of salt. Drain and rinse again after soaking. Dry thoroughly. Air dry, dehydrator, or low-heat temp oven. Store only 1 to 2 servings in an airtight glass jar. Refrigerated use within 2 days. What you get when you get it right. Better mineral absorption, iron, zinc, magnesium, thanks to reduced anti-nutrients. Softer texture, smoother mouthfeel, easier on the belly, less bloating, no gut grumbles. Gentle energy support without blood sugar roller coasters. Milder, nuttier taste, especially once roasted. When you soak smart, these seeds go from just a healthy snack to a digestible powerhouse that works for your body, not against it. If you love this info, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Want more practical, science-based wellness tips? No gimmicks, no fluff? Hit subscribe and ring the bell. You'll never miss what's next. How are you using soaked pumpkin seeds today? In smoothies, overnight oatmeal, salad toppers, or straight snacking? Drop your favorite way in the comments. I promise I read and respond to every single one.